Hey, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. It's your girl Chloe, and we're going to be discussing how to make the zodiac signs love you. For an Aries, be confident. Be confident and believe in yourself, because they love people who are confident in themselves and in their abilities. They're attracted to those who exude self-assurance and self-reliance. Aries people appreciate initiative. They appreciate people who take charge and make things happen. They enjoy those who know how to initiate activities or conversations. They like someone who's going to come up to them and start the conversation, or who's going to make plans for the both of them to go see some cool place. Like, they enjoy people who make the first move, essentially. They also enjoy a chase, but I didn't say that. Like, they like to be chased and they like to chase. They're very competitive in that sense. They're also very, very playful and spontaneous, so they enjoy doing things like off the jump, just going here and there and experiencing life, traveling and going places and having fun, having spontaneous adventure. They enjoy doing stuff like that. They also are super energetic and usually are active, so they enjoy sports or anything that they can like put their body to use for. Like, they enjoy outdoor activities and physical experience. They love people who are individualistic. Like, Aries love Aquarius people because they're so individualistic and different. They love that. They love independence as well. People who don't need nobody and are just totally themselves. They also value people who push them to accomplish their goals, people who believe in them, and people who see them and talk about them, like talk about the Aries in a good way to them, inspire them about themselves, tell them how special they are and how much they've accomplished in this life and how just amazing they are. They also appreciate honesty and direct communication. If you have something that's going to hurt their feelings, they would much rather you just say it like it is than to lie. They would much rather an ugly truth than a pretty lie, 100%. They value directness and honesty, very much so. And they don't hold grudges very often. Aries people usually get over things quite easily. But it will take them longer to get over things if you lie to them, because then they have a reason not to trust you. But yeah, compliment their strengths, compliment their accomplishments, recognize the effort that they put into things. They'll genuinely enjoy that. Also, they can be quite intellectual. I mean, not like the air signs, of course, not in that sense, but they do enjoy intellectual conversations, and they might not be knowledgeable of these intellectual conversations, but that doesn't matter. They like thought-provoking conversations. They like to delve deep into things. Not as deep as a Scorpio, of course, but Scorpio rules over investigation, so nobody can go as deep as Scorpio, but they do like to learn about things. And so if you can teach them things or giggle with them, talk about things that are important maybe in the world, they might like you. They won't find you boring. That's one thing an Aries cannot stand, is boredom. They cannot be bored. It has to be music, dancing, something to keep them occupied. They need the excitement of life. They need the fun of life. They also really like in the bedroom, passionate people that are very hungry, desireful, if that's even a word, a bit of spice. They like that, a spiciness, sass. Feel like they like that. But yeah, also ultimately, like, respect their independence. Be supportive and encouraging of the things that they like and the things that they find interest in, their goals and their ambitions. Like, support their autonomy and their dreams, and don't be too clingy. Give them some freedom. Give them space when needed, especially when they're mad. Let them cool down. And that is pretty much how you win over an Aries. I hope that helped.